From the beaches of Goa, one woman has made it the icy grass her annual destination, serving food, not for fame, but in honor of our heroes. Let's welcome her to Sudarshan World, Madam Sarita Chavan. When did and how did you get involved with Kargil Vijay Divas commemoration?
एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आई एम अ डॉटर ऑफ अ फ्रीडम फाइटर. सो वो खून में तो वो था जज्बा. तो वो कुछ ये नहीं कर सकते हम कि वो जो जिन्स रहती है वो तो फाइटर की रहती है. तो वो तो पहले जज्बा होगा मेरा.
All right. So, what inspired you to start serving food to the Kargil Vijay Divas guests? Or is there any personal, emotional attachment, connection with the armed forces or the Kargil that moves you?
When we look at Kargil war or 26 July, still people of India, they don't know the exact date of Kargil Vijay Divas. So it hurts me more than anything because it has happened when we are alive. And when you say, when is it? When they ask, I'm speechless that time. So I decided to go to every school and give awareness on Kargil Vijay Divas to principal so that she tells every child about Kargil war on projector, and they stand for 1 minute to give Shraddhanjali to them. And about myself, actually being my father being a freedom fighter, he expired in 2015, so I felt like I should give some different Shraddhanjali to my father. So being a chef, I said, why not? I try to go to Kargil and cook for that Vijay Divas so that my country knows or my state knows that yes, there is a Kargil Vijay Divas is happening and Sarita has gone there and she's cooking there.
So, how did your journey begin 9 years ago, and what inspired you continue for the last 9 years without a break?
Inspiration, the first time when I cooked, I had means खाना कैसे बना है, आज हमें लगा हमारी माँ ने खाना बनाया है. That was more than enough. I decided that till I die, till I can prepare, I'll be preparing for Kargil Vijay Divas.
Alright. Do you remember any emotional moment with the family or the armed forces that has impacted your life through these events?
That's what I said, that I can't forget that moment when everybody, there was Gurkha regiment and other regiment, they just said that आज हमें लगा हमारी माँ ने खाना बनाया. More than that, you can't get any other appreciation for your work. So that I will never forget.
Right, that's very inspiration. So, what kind of food do you prepare? Is there some kind of traditional dishes that you prepare, especially for the Kargil Vijay Divas?
Being owner of catering company, I have learned everything. Means like from Indian states, every Indian state's food I have learned. But then here I have to match with other people's taste. So we decide among ourselves, whoever officer is in charge of Vijay Divas Bhoj. So with accordingly, like whatever we have prepared last year, we see that we don't prepare it again. So based on that, it's like it starts from February for finalizing the menu.
Right. So, being the daughter of a freedom fighter, what message would you like to convey to the youth of India who may not have witnessed any war in their life yet, but have lived the legacy?
To tell them, I want to tell them respect our army, or means you just see how they have fought. Look at their families, the way they are struggling to live without them, and have some gratitude and respect, and at least know about this Kargil war which has taken place when their mother and father were young.
Right. So, do you plan to continue this journey in the coming years?
I won't say 100%, 200%. Till I'm alive, till I can cook, I'm going to come may what.
Well, very, very interesting, and thank you so much for your time and for your inspiration journey. So, for 9 years, her hands have served with love, a silent salute to the brave, a reminder that patriotism comes in any way. This is Tejo Talnakro for Sudarshan World at Kargil, Vijay Diwas.